Hey everyone, in this video we are going to focus on what is temperature sensor and one of the temperature sensor, that is LM35. In the coming slides we are going to discuss about the working principle of LM35, its circuit diagram, its feature, advantages and disadvantages and various applications of LM35. Now coming to the temperature sensor. What is temperature sensor? Temperature sensor is a device which measures the temperature of its surrounding. This converts the input data into an electric data to record or monitor or signal temperature changes. There are different types of temperature sensors are available. One is contact temperature sensor. Contact temperature sensors having direct contact with physical object that is being monitored. For example, thermocouples and thermistors. Non-contact temperature sensors. These measures the temperature of an object indirectly. For example, IR sensor. They detect the IR energy emitted by the object and sent to the calibrated electronic circuit that determines the object temperature. Now coming to the principle of LM35. The LM35 is a temperature sensor which is an integrated circuit sensor that is used to measure the temperature. The LM35's output voltage is proportional to the temperature. The scale factor is 0.01 volt per degree Celsius. LM35 draws only 60 microamps from its supply and possesses a low self-heating capability. The sensor's self-heating causes less than 0.1 degree Celsius temperature rise in still air. Coming to the circuit diagram. LM35 circuit diagram is shown in the figure. There are two transistors in the center. One has 10 times the emitter area of other. This means it has 1/10 of current density since the same current is going through both the transistor. This causes a voltage across the resistor R1 that is proportional to the absolute temperature and it is almost linear across the range. The amplifier at the top ensures that the voltage at base of the left transistor Q1 is proportional to the absolute temperature by comparing the output of the two transistors. The amplifier at the right converts absolute temperature into either Fahrenheit or Celsius. The little circuit with I in it is a constant current source circuit. Two resistors are calibrated in a factory to produce highly accurate temperature sensor. This voltage is then scaled to generate the voltage Vout that grows 100 millivolt for every degree rise in the temperature. Coming to features of LM35. It is calibrated directly in Celsius. Linear plus 10.0 millivolt per degree scale factor. 0.5 degree accuracy guaranteeable. Rated for full -55 to +1500 degree range. Suitable for remote applications. Low cost due to the wafer level trimming. Operates from 4 to 30 volts. It's having less than 60 microamp current drain. It's having low self-heating. Low impedance. Now coming to the advantages of LM35. Remote temperature range between -55 to +150 degrees Celsius. Low self-heating at 0.08 degrees Celsius. Operating at a voltage of 4 to 30 volts. The circuit is not complicated. Does not require signal conditioning. Disadvantages of LM35. LM35 requires source voltage to operate. It is not not suitable for measuring temperature sensor is included in the liquid. Now, the applications of LM35. LM35 temperature sensor is used in soil temperature testing. It is used in temperature monitoring systems. It is used in measuring temperature of particular environment, providing thermal shutdowns for a circuit or a component. It's used for monitoring battery temperature, measuring temperatures for HVAC applications. In a coming lecture, we are going to discuss about the interfacing of LM35 with STM32F4 Discovery board. Thank you for watching.